Okay, let's just be honest for a second. If you're in real estate today, you're not just selling homes, you're basically a full-time content creator, right? But what if you could take every single property listing and turn it into social media gold in like just a few clicks? Today, we're gonna dive into the new ListHouze social media suite and see if it can actually pull that off. First, let's set the stage and talk about the huge challenge every single agent is up against right now. It's this constant battle, this tug of war between actually selling homes and managing a never-ending list of digital marketing chores. Does this sound familiar to you? You know you need to be posting on Instagram, on Facebook, on LinkedIn, just to get eyes on your properties. But where do you find the time? It feels almost impossible. Trust me, you are not alone in feeling that way. And this slide right here, this just perfectly captures that feeling of total chaos, doesn't it? The old way is, well, it's a grind. You're downloading photos, you're messing around with some clunky video editor, trying to write clever captions, desperately searching for music that won't get your video taken down, and then you have to upload it all one by one to every single platform. Ugh, it's exhausting just talking about it. Okay, but what if you could just get rid of all of that complexity? That's exactly what we're looking at next. The solution is this really elegant, integrated system that's built right into the platform you're probably already using. And here it is. This is that aha moment. This is the ListHouze dashboard. And as you can see, it's not just for managing listings anymore. It's now this single, seamless hub where your property data and your entire marketing workflow all live together in one place. You can pretty much think of it as your marketing command center. You've got a content calendar, you've got this powerful video generator called Reel Studio, scheduling tools, a media library. I mean, it's everything you need all in one spot and built specifically for real estate agents. All right, now let's get to the star of the show, the Reel Studio. This is where the real magic happens. We're talking about automatically turning your property listings into professional-looking social media videos, and you don't have to be some kind of video wizard to do it. And look, it's not some crazy, complicated process. It's actually incredibly simple. Just 5 core steps. You pick your listing, choose your settings, pick a template, generate a draft, and then create the final video. That's it. Let's walk through it real quick. So here's what's so brilliant about step 1. There's zero manual work. You just select one of your live listings and bam, Reel Studio instantly pulls in everything. All the photos, the description, the address, bedrooms, price, all of it. What a massive time saver, right from the very first click. Step 2 is all about optimization. This is where you make sure your video looks amazing no matter where you post it. Are you making something for Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube? You can instantly choose the perfect video format, making sure your content looks totally pro everywhere it's seen. And this little table makes it super clear. You've got your reel and story format, which is perfect for that vertical video craze on Instagram and TikTok. The square format is ideal for your main feed posts. And of course, landscape is ready to go for YouTube. So that's one property, 3 different layouts, and zero hassle. Next up, you get to set the vibe. We all know music has a huge emotional impact on a video, right? Well, here you get a whole library of tracks, from chill and corporate to luxury and dramatic. But here's the most important part. It is all copyright safe for commercial use, so you never ever have to worry about your post getting muted or taken down. Okay, so after you've made your choices, you hit Generate Blueprint. Now, this isn't the final video. Think of it more like an intelligent first draft. The system automatically builds all the scenes, it adds your photos, and it even generates text and calls to action. From here, you can tweak anything you want, which means you're still in the driver's seat with full creative control. So, you've just created a stunning video in literally minutes. Now what? Well, the final stage is just as powerful. It's all about getting your content out there, everywhere, without ever leaving the platform. The first thing you do is connect your social media accounts. You just link up your Facebook pages, your Instagram business profile, and your LinkedIn. And the best part is, you only have to do this one time, and then you're set to publish forever. Once your video is ready to go, this publishing screen pops up. This is where you craft your caption, add your hashtags, and then, here comes the best part, you just check off which platforms you want to post to. And this right here, this is the payoff. One click, and your beautifully crafted reel is instantly published to Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn all at the same time. I mean, think about that. One reel, 3 platforms, and absolutely zero wasted time. It really is that simple. So let's just pull back for a second and look at the big picture here. What does all this actually mean for you and for your business? because this is way more than just a cool feature. It's a total game changer. For you, it means you save hours on every single listing. It means you can finally have a consistent, professional-looking social media presence without the burnout. And that, of course, leads to more exposure, more inquiries, and yeah, selling properties faster. And you get to do it all from one central hub. This quote just nails it, doesn't it? ListHouze has really evolved. It's not just a listing platform anymore. It's become a complete real estate marketing ecosystem. And it's designed to help you crush it in today's digital world. So that really just leaves us with one final and I think pretty important question. By automating this whole content grind, ListHouze gives you back your most valuable asset, your time. So the question is, how are you going to use all those hours you get back? More client meetings, following up on leads, growing your business? The possibilities are all yours.